Well, this is quite a nice piece of Aynsley bone china. Indian Tree A1173 is the pattern reference number that Aynsley used for this production. It's basically a grey and white transfer printed design, which has then been hand coloured by the decorators. It is beautiful, palpable enamels really on here. You can really feel this as well as see it. Bright colours, lovely combination on the palette on fine English bone china. There are your period Aynsley china marks that give us the dates for this, with A1173 kindly applied by the decorators. Also got a number 13 stamp on here. Nice and clean, good for the age, lovely bright decoration and very good glaze. Hardly a knife mark on it, very nice and clean for an antique piece of Aynsley. Really nice thing, 9.25 inch diameter, so we're listing this really as a large dessert stroke luncheon or small dinner plate, but it's certainly not a 10.5 or a 10-inch dinner plate. 9.25 inches is the correct diameter for this. It's available for sale from the Vintage and Antiques website, and if you follow the link description below, which we'll put under this YouTube video, it should take you directly to the listing on the Vintage and Antiques website. Thanks for watching.